Hi, this is Zach from Myshire Farm. In this video, I want to help you answer some questions on raising Coturnix quail. So in this video, we're going to talk about one of the first questions that you might need to ask yourself, and that is housing. How do I house my Coturnix quail? So there's mainly two options. Either you buy a housing unit, a cage, or you build one. If you want to build one, we have a video on our YouTube channel that shows you how we build ours. Now, Coturnix Corner on YouTube has an absolute amazing video on how to build his type of quail cage. So I would check that out as well. Now, if you don't have the time or energy to be able to put all that in to building a quail cage, I highly recommend you checking out Wynola Ranch. You can check them out on their website, www.wynolaranch.com, and they have many different options of Coturnix quail cages, and they offer free shipping, I believe, to 48 out of the 50 states. So I would definitely check those out. Now, the main question that you want to ask when you're housing is, how much space do I need? We recommend that you use 3.5 quail per square foot. That will give them plenty of room and make them feel secure. The biggest part of raising quail is making them feel safe. When they have a family around them, they feel much more safe and they produce much, much better. So when you're looking into buying or building a cage, keep in mind that we recommend 3.5 quail per square foot, and I hope that this helps you on your journey. The next question that you're going to ask is, do I start with hatching eggs or do I start with live quail? And that will be the next video I do. So stay tuned. I hope this helps. Check us out every Sunday at 7 p.m. on YouTube for a weekly Q&A where you can ask any question about Coturnix quail, and I will do my best to help you on your self-sufficiency journey. Thank you. Have a great day.